Welcome to botany class. Let's move to the next topic, viral diseases. So today's topic is viral diseases. Before entering into the topic, let's discuss few definitions. They are virion, viroid, virusoid and prions. What's meant by virion? Virions are the intact infective virus particle. Intact infective virus particle which is non-replicating outside the host. You all know that viruses are biologist puzzle which shows living as well as non-living nature. So this virion is an intact infective particle which is non-replicating outside the host. When this particle is outside the host, it's non-replicate. That is virion. Next definition, viroid. These viroids are circular ssRNA molecules. ssRNA is single-stranded RNA. The nature of the RNA is circular. They are viruses which contains either DNA or RNA, but this viroid possesses ssRNA, that is single-stranded RNA. The shape of this is circular shape, which is discovered by T.O. Diner in the year 1971. So this all one word question, very important. Viroids are discovered in the year 1971 by T.O. Diner. T.O. Diner discovered viroid. So first one virion, then viroid. Then the third, then this viroid which causes diseases. They are disease causing agents. So there is an example of disease, Citrus exocortis. The name of the disease is Citrus exocortis. Citrus plant, we all know citrus plant, oranges. Or this citrus plants, it causes exocortis disease. Exocortis, the bark of the stem which peel off. Such disease is Citrus exocortis disease. And one more example, potato spindle tuber. Potato spindle tuber. So what are the examples caused by viroid? Citrus exocortis and potato spindle tuber. Learn all these names. Citrus exocortis, potato spindle tuber. Then what's meant by virusoid? Virusoids are discovered by J.W. Randles in the year 1981. So this virusoids also similar to viroid. Viroids are circular ssRNA. These virusoids are small circular RNA, which possess the genetic material as RNA, small circular RNA. Viroid which contains ssRNA without capsid, only nucleic acid content is present. The nucleic acid content is enough to cause disease. So it is not surrounded by capsid. Virusoid which is similar to this, here this virusoid possesses a small RNA, small circular RNA discovered by J.W. Randles in the year 1981. Another example, another definition, prions. How to pronounce this? Prions. Prions are proteinaceous infectious particle. Proteinaceous infectious particle. This all virion, viroid and virusoid. This viroid and virusoid are RNA particles. But prions are proteinaceous particles. Here the protein capsid is absent. Without capsid, only ssRNA is present in viroid. Virusoid also similar to this viroid because it possesses circular RNA. But prions which are proteinaceous infective particle discovered by Stanley B. Prusiner. Who discovered this? Stanley B. Prusiner in the year 1982. So, this was discovered in the year 1971, viroid, and virusoides 1981, and prions in the year 1982. And this causes dozen fatal degenerative disorders. Fatal degenerative disorders. Fatal diseases or deadly diseases. So, it causes fatal degenerative disorder, dozens of fatal degenerative disorder which affects the central nervous system. So, few examples, let us see few examples. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which is simply called as CJD. That means Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. You are not going to learn the symptoms or the other explanation of the disease, just to learn the name of the diseases. What are the viral diseases? So, prions which cause Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which all affects the central nervous system. Another example, bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy, commonly called as BSE. What's BSE? Bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Or commonly these diseases are known as mad cow disease and scrappy disease of sheep. In the cow it produces mad cow disease. So, this disease is commonly called as mad cow disease. In the sheep it produces scrappy disease of sheep. Scrappy disease. Mad cow disease, scrappy disease of sheep. So, what are the diseases you learned? Here citrus exocortis and potato spindle tuber caused by viroid. Viroid which causes citrus exocortis and potato spindle tuber. And prions caused or examples of prions. Prions produces Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease and bovine spongiform encephalopathy. Common names are mad cow disease and scrappy disease of sheep. Then there are few more terms, cynophage and mycophages. In the lower classes you may learn these words. Cynophage. What are cynophages? Cynophages are viruses which affect blue-green alga. Blue-green alga. Viruses which affects blue-green alga are called as cynophage. Cyanobacteria, cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. When the virus attacks blue-green alga, which is known as cynophage, and it was demonstrated by or it was discovered by Saferman and Morris in the year 1963. Saferman and Morris in the year 1963. Example, because it is blue-green alga, one of the example is LPP1. LPP1. They are Lyngbya, Plectonema and Formidium. So, LPP, L stands for Lyngbya, P stands for Plectonema and this P stands for Formidium. So, cynophage example, if they ask one word question, cynophage, you write LPP1, that is Lyngbya, Plectonema, Formidium. Lymphia, Plectonema, Formidium. Then, what's meant by mycophages? Viruses which attacks fungus are called or cultivable mushrooms. Commonly you know this mushroom. There are different types of mushroom, edible mushroom as well as poisonous mushrooms also there. The cultivated mushrooms, the virus when it affects the cultivated mushroom are called as mycophages, which was demonstrated by Hollings in the year 1962. Hollings in the year 1962. That is mycophages. This mycophages causes dieback disease. The name of the disease is dieback disease in mushrooms. In mushrooms, it produces dieback disease. So, these all examples are important for one word question. Let us recall what you learned: virion, viroid, virusoid, prions, and what is cyanophage and what is mycophage, what are the diseases it causes. Apart from this, there are so many viruses which cause diseases in plants, animals as well as human beings. There are list of viral diseases, plant diseases, animal diseases and human diseases. Let us see very few examples here. Viral diseases in plants. These are the list of diseases which causes in plants. These are the list of diseases which affects animals, and these all are the diseases which caused in man. So, viral diseases, virus which attack human being, animals as well as plants. Let us see what are the plant diseases, animal diseases and human diseases. Plant viral diseases. Most of the plants are affected by mosaic disease. So, here there is a list of diseases, namely tobacco mosaic disease, cauliflower mosaic disease, sugarcane mosaic disease, and so this many diseases: cucumber mosaic, tomato mosaic. So, cucumber mosaic disease, tomato mosaic disease, tobacco mosaic disease, cauliflower mosaic disease, sugarcane mosaic. The word mosaic which is familiar. In plants, how will you differentiate a healthy plant from the diseased plant? When you look at the plant, the exposed region of the plant is leaf. The leaf part is abundant. So, if the plant is healthy, how can we say looking at the leaf? When the leaf is healthy, how can you say that the leaf is healthy? It is green in color because chlorophyll is very essential for the synthesis of food in plants. So, healthy leaf is green color without any mottling. But this mosaic diseases which causes patches on the leaf. The leaf is, instead of the complete green color, there are certain appearance of discoloration. First the symptom, first symptom it causes that discoloration. So, green color disappears, instead there are some patches appears on the surface of the leaf, is known as mosaic. So many plants are affected by mosaic disease. This is due to viral infection. So, virus disease, tobacco mosaic. What are the plants are affected by mosaic disease? Here tobacco plant, tobacco mosaic disease, cauliflower mosaic disease, sugarcane mosaic and cucumber mosaic and tomato mosaic disease. Other than this, there are potato leaf roll disease. The leaf, when it is not stretched as a healthy one, it rolls down. The symptom which shows as rolling of the leaf in potato plant. Potato leaf roll disease. Bunchy top of banana. So, bunchy top of banana which produces stunted growth and it affects the yield. And leaf curl of papaya. Leaf curl of papaya. Vein clearing of lady's finger. In lady's finger, it causes vein clearing disease. And in rice, there is a viral disease, tung row disease. Tung row disease of rice. So, these all are list of plant viral diseases. So, 5 mark question or 3 mark question. This is important. List out different plant viral diseases. What are they? Tobacco mosaic disease, cauliflower mosaic disease, sugarcane mosaic disease, potato leaf roll disease, bunch top of banana, leaf curl of papaya, vein clearing of lady's finger, rice tongue row disease, cucumber mosaic disease, tomato mosaic disease. Now, what are the animal diseases? Virus which also affects animals and it causes certain diseases. Number 1, foot and mouth disease of cattle. Foot and mouth disease of cattle. Viruses which affect cattle and cause this disease, foot and mouth disease of cattle. Number 2, rabies of dog. This is very familiar to you all, rabies of dog. And the third disease is encephalomyelitis of horse. So, in animals it affects cattle and specifically it affects the rabies is specifically for dog and encephalomyelitis to horse. Horse, dog and cattle. What are the diseases? Here only 3 diseases are there. Learn all these 3 names: foot and mouth disease of cattle, rabies of dog and encephalomyelitis of horse. Now, we shall discuss the human diseases. Virus which affects human and causes a list of diseases. What are they? Common cold. Common cold is one of the viral disease. Common cold, hepatitis B, cancer. Cancer also a viral disease. SARS. Few years back it was very familiar word, SARS. Severe acute respiratory syndrome. Severe acute respiratory syndrome. And rabies, mumps, polio, chikungunya. Few years back this also affected. Many people are suffered from this chikungunya, smallpox, chickenpox and measles. These all diseases are viral disease. What are the viral diseases in human being? Common cold, hepatitis B, cancer, SARS. SARS is explained as severe acute respiratory syndrome, rabies, mumps, polio, chikungunya, smallpox, chickenpox and measles. So, here 3 different lists of diseases are there: plant diseases, animal diseases and human diseases. What are the plant diseases? Tobacco mosaic, cauliflower mosaic, sugarcane mosaic, potato leaf roll, bunch top of banana, leaf curl of papaya, vein clearing of lady's finger, rice tongue row disease, cucumber mosaic and tomato mosaic disease. What are the animal diseases? Foot and mouth disease of cattle, rabies of dog, encephalomyelitis of horse. What are the human diseases? Common cold, hepatitis B, cancer, SARS, rabies, mumps, polio, chikungunya, smallpox, chickenpox and measles. So, today we discussed viral diseases. These all disease names are must to learn. Learn all these names. Let us recall once again. First you learn few definitions. What are the definitions? What is virion, viroid, virusoid and prions? There are 4 definitions you have to learn. And what are the diseases it causes? Here viroid, which causes citrus exocortis and potato spindle tuber. Then prions. Prions cause Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease and bovine spongiform encephalopathy. The common name of this disease is mad cow disease and scrapie disease of sheep. Then what is cyanophage? What is mycophages? Mycophages which cause dieback disease in fungus, that is mushroom, cultivated mushroom. And list out the plant diseases, plant viral disease and animal disease as well as human disease. Before the next class, learn this all disease names and all the definitions. Thank you.